Alexa, show me my doorbell.
Okay.
Today we are going to unbox and install B1 battery powered doorbell from Arenti, and also I'm going to show you how to install on your wall. Alright, let's open the box and see what's inside. We have quick guide, a warranty card, Windows stickers, quick guide for the wireless chim, some screws for the wall bracket, reset pin and some screws, power adapter, wireless chim, and double-sided tape, and the main camera itself, battery unit, the main camera looks simple. At the bottom of the camera we have SD card slot for the micro SD card, and finally we have one micro USB cable to charge the battery. Let's charge the battery before install. Yeah, the battery is charging. Alright, let's begin. Let's attach the battery with the main camera. Let's install the Arenti app first. Okay, installation complete. Let's open the app. Sign up for an account. You just need an email address and a name. Add new device. Go to doorbell and choose this one. Okay, let's power on the camera and press next. Okay, already done. Okay, let's reset again. Okay, it's flashing red now here. Okay, next. Okay, Wi-Fi is already selected. Let's enter the password. Okay, I have entered the password. Next. Okay. Okay. So it's showing the QR code. Okay. Notification tone heard. Okay, device is connected. Done. Let's play and see. Yeah, it's working. Now I'm going to show you how to remove the battery from the camera, because after installing the battery with the camera you can't remove physically. I mean, you have to unlock the camera from the battery using the app before removing, otherwise it won't come. Go to the app and select the camera icon on the top and long press. Go to the setting, basic functions, battery lock. Okay, it's locked now. So if you want to remove the battery from the camera, unlock it. You have to unlock the battery within 30 seconds. Okay, for security reasons it will lock automatically after 30 seconds. So hit OK. Okay, now we can remove. Okay. Okay. See the noise? That means it's locked with the battery. Battery and camera is locked. Physically you can't remove it. Plug the shimmy into the power. Press the reset button at the back. Blue light is flashing. Okay, Jimmy in the pairing mode. Press the bell icon on the camera. Now the Jimmy is connected and it's ringing. Let's change the song to, let's see. Song 3. If your visitor press the bell icon, you will receive a call and the chimney also will ring. Okay, you can answer the call and talk with your visitor. Now let's see how to share the device with other family members. To share Arenti doorbell camera with another device, first install the Arenti app on the new device and sign up for an account. Okay, now go to me on the new device and choose the QR code icon here on the top. Okay, it will give you a QR code on your existing main account. Share the QR code. Hello. Okay, and share. So here it will ask to accept. Just accept it. Okay, let's see if the camera is, yeah, the camera is shared. Okay, for the shared device, settings are very different. Only receive notification on or off, that's all. Other settings are not available. So just viewing and receive notification. Also we can record here, take snaps, albums. Yeah, only the album is showing this device recordings and the snaps, not from the main camera SD card. Let's check the history. Yeah, history we can check everything on this device as well. Motion detection also working. Live view is working. Now let's see how to install the doorbell camera on the wall. Mark the wall using the bracket. Next. Okay, bracket is installed. Let's install the camera from the top and the battery unit from the bottom. Okay, we have installed successfully. Let's see some sample images You can see the night vision and the normal daylight picture. Let's zoom in the night vision and see. Now let's connect the doorbell with the Alexa so we can view the camera in my TV. Browse skills on the Alexa app and search for Arenti. Press enable to use and it'll ask to sign in. So just sign in with your existing account and authorize. Okay, now discover the camera. Alexa found the camera and connected. Let's rename the camera so we can easily ask the Alexa to show the camera on the TV. I'm going to rename it into doorbell. Okay, all done. Now check whether it's working or not. Alexa, show me my doorbell.
Okay.